Well, good morning, everybody. I'm just here to do a quick giveaway winner video for the Birds in Bloom pattern and floss and fabric that I have fallen out of love with, so I am passing it on to someone. I had a unbelievable amount of people that wanted this. I'm overwhelmed. I had my doubts that anybody would really want this, but there were 105 of you that put in that they would like this. There were a couple of people that mentioned Birds in Blooms, but I wasn't really sure whether they really were asking to be entered or not, so I entered them anyway. And if you were one of the ones that win and actually didn't want it, either pass it on or let me know and I will draw again. So that's the best I can do. So let's get on with it. I have the random.org. Oops, can't see that very well. And I've put in 1 through 105 and we will generate. And it is number 10, who is Radiant 59. I don't know who that is, but Radiant 59, congratulations. You have won the Birds in Bloom pattern. And like I said before, when you get in contact with me, you let me know what kind of a pattern you want, whether you want PDF or a hard copy or whatever, and we will get that to you from Heaven and Earth Designs. And the floss on these that are they're all marked with the symbols, and all of the floss is long enough to do a loop start if that's what you like. Extra floss. And my poor pitiful less than 1 page start. So congratulations. Contact me on YouTube here and we will get this out to you. So hope you like it. I will talk to everybody soon. Hopefully I'll do another video, an update whip video in about a week or so. I have hit a milestone in Medieval Town Mandala, so I want to show that off in case you're one of the few people on the planet who haven't seen that already. So have a good day. I will talk to everybody soon. Bye.